Hello. Welcome to the Send Documents section. Here you can choose to send a single document via email or opt for bulk sending, delivering the same form to multiple email addresses. Before proceeding, let's remind you of 2 important steps. 1. Check your settings. Before sending a document, visit the Settings section and click on Base Settings to make sure that all your business information is set up, including your company logo. 2. Do a test send. We recommend sending the document first to yourself or to a colleague to make sure it has been created correctly. Great. Now let's see how this section works together. By clicking on Send Documents, a window opens that allows you to send a document to a single email address, for example, to an individual client, or to a list of recipients. Imagine you are a diving center organizing a group dive and need to send the liability waiver form to all participants, ensuring they are informed about the risks and fit to take part. Or imagine you are a rafting school that needs to send the same type of documents to participants of a river descent. Or again, an event organizer working on a party or a conference who needs to send an image release form to all attendees. In all these cases, the task is to send the same document via email to every participant. The first field to fill in is the list name. Try to choose a meaningful name, for example, Poseidon Group, in the case of the diving center. The field for the event on refers to the date of the event. Next, select the document to send from among those you have already created. You can choose the subject of the email from a list you previously set up in the settings. Alternatively, you can customize it by overriding the default subject so that all recipients immediately understand the purpose of the message. Usually the subject line includes an invitation to complete the document. The internal notes field is useful for writing specific information about this particular activity or the recipient group. Now it's time to select the users to whom you want to send the document. You can choose from those already stored in the system or add new ones manually, one by one. In this section, you can also make a single send by creating a new contact or selecting an existing one already saved in the system. You also have a dedicated screen to search for lists using different parameters. Once you find the list of interest, you can check in detail who has completed and signed the document and who hasn't yet. At this point, with just one click, you can resend the document to everyone who hasn't signed yet or manually select recipients one by one. On the right-hand side, you will find a log with the history of all sent documents and the related reports. Thanks to this section, sending via email and managing your documents becomes even easier. Good work.